Hey everybody, it's Mark. These are my tips and tricks for Instagram Stories 2020. Let's start off with the tips. These tips can be used in different ways, obviously, but I'm gonna go through these tips rather quickly, so I'll leave the timestamps in the description box below. Okay, tip number one, paint bucket the entire background with just one color. First, choose whatever background you want to use or whatever photo. At the top, choose the paintbrush tool or the scribble tool, and then the paintbrush tool. Make sure that is selected. Choose a color. Tap and hold down on the screen to color the entire background. Okay, number two, a layer of color on the entire story. Basically, it's the same thing as the first one, except it's a little bit see-through. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna choose the scribble at the top, and then you're gonna select, instead of paintbrush, you're gonna select highlighter. So select highlighter, and then select your color. I'm gonna choose red, and then tap and hold on the screen to color the entire background. There you go. Number three, use GIFs relating to your post. Tap on the box with the smiley face on it, look for the GIFs, and then search for GIFs that relate to your post. Number four, make bars. We're going to tap on the text tool. Size should be all the way down. Make sure you are on the typewriter setting. Make a bunch of spaces. You also need to tap this box with the A and the sparkly things on it. Click on that. And you have this bar that you can use. You can change the color to create fragmented look like this. Number five, make strings. You're going to select the text tool. Size should be all the way down again. Make sure you are on the typewriter setting and use underline on your keyboard. Number six, check out effects for more filters when you're recording a video, a boomerang, or a photo. Swipe right to any filter. Click on the arrow. Click on the arrow beside the filter name. Tap on Browse Effects, and then click Try It. There you got it. Okay, number seven, different color for each letter. Take your photo or video, tap the text tool, type whatever you want to say. Select just a part of your text, tap on a color, and repeat until you have the desired effect that you want. Number eight, create multiple shadows of different colors. I'm gonna go out of here, create. Tap the text tool. Again, type whatever you want to say. Select the text that you want multiple shadows on. Press copy. And then repeat until you have the desired effect. Hopefully my phone doesn't die during this recording. Okay, now the tricks, we'll use some of these tips, but a lot of these tips you just have to experiment with and see what works for you and see how they work together in the aesthetic way of things. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, first trick is the eraser text. First, you're gonna take the photo that you want. I'll use this photo. What you're going to do here is you're going to use the paint bucket tip, the first tip that I gave you, and use whatever color that you want. Now tap on the eraser tool, make the size small, and then scribble your text out. It's a bit hard to read. Number 2, create a moving background using Gifs. First, take a photo of whatever you want. Go to the Gifs, find a GIF that is moving a lot. Go to look for like things that are spinning, diamonds. I'll use this one. Use the GIF to fill the screen, like that. Download the video. Bring that video into the story. Use the paint bucket tip. Tap on the eraser tool and scribble away. Wow, amazing. Number 3, cutout letters. First, tap on the text tool. Choose classic for the type of text that you want. Tap one letter only and make sure this button is on. Repeat process until done. Then use the bar tip to create this hanging letters look. You can also use the bar tip to make this fragmented look. Again, choose whatever background you want. Make bars of different colors. And move them around like so to create that fragmented look. Number 5, you want to hide part of a new post. First of all, you need to choose the post that you want to promote, the new post. So say for example, if I wanted to use this one, I would add post to my story. Let's change the background to a solid color using the paint bucket tip. I'm going to change it to blue. Let's change the background to blue. Then what we're going to do is we're going to use the bar tip to make a bar of the same solid color. Okay, so we're gonna just paste what I had from the previous trick. Now we have this bar. Extend it out diagonally onto the post. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. The rest is now up to you. Go out there and be creative and tag me in some of your Instagram stories that you create. I would love to see what you do with these tips and tricks. If you're getting value from this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this one. Stay creative, and I'll see you next time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like. Ah! I was so close. So close. If you're getting value from this video, why not hit that like button and subscribe? If you're getting value from this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this one. Until next time, see you next time. Oh my God.
See you next time.
Okay, let's try that again. If you're getting frustrated, okay. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this one.
Oh, God.
That's go one. If you're getting value, yes, value from this video, hit that like button and the subscribe to and that notification bell. And subscribe for more content like this one.
Stay creative and see you next time.
Stay creative and see you next time. Stay creative and I'll see you next time.
Until next time. See you next time.